Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO X7 Pro and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and here let's tap on About Phone. Now we have to scroll and find Backup and Restore, and here we've got the section with Google Backups. So let's tap on Backup and sign in. Be aware, because if you've got your Google account currently added to the device, you will be able to simply choose it from the list. If not, you have to do it, you have to add it from the beginning. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and here in this section you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. Not much, and then tap on Next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on Next. So here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on Next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them and learn more, and then tap on I agree. Here we can decide what kind of data we want to backup, so photos and videos or other device data, or both of course, it's totally up to you. I will just choose this option and tap on Confirm. Then tap on Manage Backup, and this is the section where you can check how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Under it you've got backup details, so you can check what has already been backed up. Advanced settings, and to be honest I highly recommend to keep this option turned off so you can avoid some unnecessary charges. And then to finish everything, simply tap on Backup Now and your device will back up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.